Hi everybody, this is the Sentence Seekers Christmas demo, and I try to demonstrate the usage of this program for you. On the right side you can see the GitHub documentation of Sentence Seeker, and on the left I demonstrate the usage in this terminal windows. You can start the program in console mode, or you can start it with a simple GUI or without any parameter. In this case the program tries to discover its environment, and for example, if you use it in a virtual console in Linux, then the program automatically starts the console mode. The program has a predefined document directory. In your home dir, it creates the .sentenceseeker working directory, and in this directory you can find the documents directory, where there are about 200 or maybe more or less books, and based on these books the program creates an index, and when you try to find sentences, then the program analyzes these indexes. If you want to insert a new text file into this document directory, you can simply copy your text or PDF or HTML files into this directory, and at the next start the program automatically indexes it. And now how can you seek? You can use operators, and, or, and then operator, and you can build up queries. For example, this one, but I collected more interesting for you, and you can use word class selectors. For example, you can find the past participle forms of irregular verbs, or you can search examples based on the ending or starting of the words with these operators. And now we can see some examples from here. Here is some simple example and some complex one. When I use the cat and dog query, the order of the words in the result is not important, so cat or dog can be the first one. As you can see here, the order is not important, but you can write cat then dog, and in this case the order is predefined. There is a shorter form of this operator, so you can use cat, dog, and for example they. I don't know it will works or not. First try this one, and yes, here we have a simple result for this request. Sorry, I have to save the example because it's a good one. And you can build up much more complex expressions with parentheses. For example, apple or orange, and you can build up more complex with more eat or drink, and of course I save it too. Thank you. One moment please. Great. So you can use as many parentheses and as many divs as you want, and you can use classes. For example, this expression will find any form of B and words with ending of Y, W, H, E, R, E. And here you can see that here is been, was, were, is, anything that is connected to B. And at the first part of the result you can find everywhere, anywhere, maybe we have more result. Everywhere is really common, I see. And you can use much more complex expressions. For example, this one. Okay, one moment. Sorry, but my neighbor repairs his home, and sometimes a little drilling noise will penetrate into this record. Okay, see this one. Wow. And repeat it. So it will find words from this class. You can see it in the documentation. Where is it? Commands. Selectors. Pronounce personal. This is this one. This is the combination of pronounce subject and pronounce object. So it's the union of these words and these ones. And in have all selector you select these ones, and later the program has a table about the irregular verbs, and this selector verb, this selector will use the third form of the irregular verbs from this table. And if you see the results, if you check them, then you can see that the pattern, that the results are matching for the pattern. So more or less. But why? What was the end means that the order is not predefined. And here I strictly define the order. You have one, I have done. Okay, and here you can see the pattern. I or they or you matches with the first selector, and the next one are the different forms of head, and the third one is one form of irregular verbs, spoken, seen, come, came, come, or done. And if I try to scroll down in the results, then you can see more irregular verbs. Thank you very much.